Do you celebrate Lunar Festival?
Yeah. Like all the Asian country, they do, right?
We don't in Nepal.
Really?
Yeah.
Lunar New Year.
The blue one? It feels like a festival. Oh my god, who's winning here? They won the sky blue ones, and then there comes, I don't know.
Team 3 is the one, right?
Yeah, I think 3 and then 4 and then 1.
Wheel yellow, Flying Dragons probably get third in lane 2, and then we had Naga Spirit in 5, Maris
Much better. Oh, okay, so that's a Korean name, guys. And my friend is Korean as well here. Hi, Yeonjo. You're covering your face. So we are now going to try the new ride in Darling Harbour there. Is it scary?
That's so scary.
So yeah, let's see how scary it is. I'm always up for rides. Woo. Hey guys. Scary. Someone is strict. Scared. Oh, don't worry. You slapped the camera so hard. So guys, we're the only ones. Oh, somebody's freaking out. Please. The phone is right. See, Yeonjo.
We can see the race here.
Whoa! Oh, it starts!
Let's go.
Woo!
Oh my god.
Oh my god, somebody is scared of heights now.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Yeonjo, you can scream if you're...
I told you. I told you.
So we get amazing view.
Like in the night is better.
Because there's beautiful lights,
Yeah.
right? Intensifies, let's see who wins. Again, it's the, you know, the furthest one, the blue ones that's going
Yeah.
faster. Like, I don't know. Yes, so, hello Yeonjo.
Hello.
Subway channel.
Subway.
Jana.
Jana Lai.
Yay! Hello. Hi.
So we're heading to the dumpling place. And the weather's so nice.
Yay!
Go. There's the opera house there. And we're heading to dumpling place.
Yes.
Dumpling place. Okay, anyways.
So yeah, we should just go straight now. So let's go. Wow, it's hot. Woohoo. See, it's just right at the right. Yeonjo. So we should take right now. Ooh. We are taking our viewers on a hike with us today on Royal Botanical Garden. This is one of the most popular gardens in Sydney, by the way. It's filled with, look at the plants.
Oh my god, look at the koala there.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
It's so cute. Is this the
Kangaroos.
place?
I think so. Why is it empty?
Why is it empty? Is it like a museum? Or
Looks
cafe?
like one.
I don't
We
know.
came here for dumplings. Right? Dumplings.
Totally exhausted.
Back off.
Like,
My exhausted face should not be revealed.
I think that is a cafe.
Yeah, there's a cafe
Hope
at
so.
the left and like a museum.
Okay. At the left. We can go left.
Yes, left.
Like free markets? Nope.
Hey guys, so we're finally here. The menu wasn't great and we didn't have a lot of options. Yeah. Let's see if the dumplings are really that great. Okay. Open it up, Yeonjo. Ta-da!
Yours.
Vegetarian dumplings. Sweet. Let's eat it.
Yum. It's nice.
Yeah, I like mine as well. Is it sweet chili sauce? I drowned my dumpling, guys. It's dying. It's drowning. What does it taste like?
This is, what is it? Yeah, this is pork dumpling.
It's very nice.
Actually, it's just normal dumplings. Not really special, actually.
Hey guys, so yeah, we just finished our dumpling at Kit Fest. It's really hard to pronounce. The dumplings were really nice, impressive actually. Creamy, soft, tender. And yeah, it's my first time in Royal Botanical Gardens, so I'm really looking forward to looking at more flowers and species. There's like a white flower exhibition going on. We're surrounded by flowers, as you can see. Okay, not me, the scenery now.
Doing the wedding pictures.
Where?
There.
Wedding. Oh. Yeah, literally having a cruise party there. Oh my goodness. The water is shaking. Look. You can drop your phone from here. See, drop your phone in the water. I want to. What's that? It's kapucha.
Wait, I think looks like you and me.
I'm sorry, is this you and
Yo, pas चाहिँ कराएर रिसाएँ अनि म चाहिँ ओइ don't touch me. ओइ don't touch me. ओइ ओइ
I can't help it, but these pigs are so cute. Just look at it, all of them.